Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay. Today we will finish this chapter. If
Yeah,
I
ma'am.
were you.
Ma'am, tomorrow I forget to attend the quiz, ma'am.
Okay. Doesn't matter. If you attend it, you will get benefited. Uh, You will know where you stand
Ma'am, I
among your
forget.
class. You forgot, it's all
Yeah, ma'am.
right. If you forgot, nothing can be done. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am.
So, what is the meaning of pantomime? Yesterday I told you a few meanings. Pantomime. I
Copying
told you the
someone
meaning of
without
this word yesterday.
to copy someone.
To copy someone by facial
Copy
expression.
someone without
Yes,
without
very good.
acting.
Copy someone without speaking, just by the facial expression. You copy someone. Elude means, what is the meaning of elude? Hello.
Ma'am, to escape. Avoid.
Yes, to escape. Escape. Elude means escape. Your idea is to elude the police by
To
killing.
avoid.
Avoid भी हो
Ma'am,
सकता
to
है.
avoid.
Okay, avoid also in some sense. Then, so where had the intruder, the criminal, seen Charles? In which place?
Aylesbury.
Yes, Aylesbury. Yes, there is where I saw you in the car. My voice is audible. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So the intruder had seen Charles in Aylesbury, and when he sorry, Charles, I'm saying the intruder. Yes, Charles is also his name. So the intruder had saw Vincent Charles Gerard. Full name is Vincent Charles Gerard. The intruder had seen him in Aylesbury. The intruder had seen him in Aylesbury, and there were two other people also who saw him. And he looked a bit queer. Queer means, yesterday I told you the meaning of queer also, Queer.
Strange.
Yes, very good. Strange. So, Gerard was a little strange, kind of mystery man. Uh, uh, why was he a mystery man? Because he never went out to purchase things. These are the things which made him a mystery man. He phoned his orders. You phone your orders and sometimes go away suddenly and come back just the same. What happens? All of a sudden he goes somewhere. अचानक से बैग पैक करके वो कहीं चले जाते हैं और फिर अचानक से आ भी जाते हैं. किसी को नहीं पता चलता है कि जेरड गए कहाँ. So these are the things mysterious about him. He never goes out to purchase things. जो भी सामान है वो घर आके जो है पहुंचाया जाता है. Like the baker, the milkman, they all come and they deliver the things at his house. They come and deliver the things at his house. So and all of a sudden he packs his bag, nobody knows where he has gone, and just he comes back. Those are just the things I want to do. Hearing about you was one of my luckiest break. And hearing about this hearing about Charles is a very lucky break for the intruder. Why? Because it is a lucky break because he has found a man who is identical to him. लकी ब्रेक क्यों? क्योंकि उसको अपना हम शक्ल मिल गया. He can kill him and live his life free and peaceful. So apparently you haven't the intelligence to ask why I am invested in this cloak of mystery. Cloak means cloth or covering. Cloak. किसी चीज से ढका हुआ. तो वो उसने कहा कि तुम्हें ये नहीं पता कि why I am so mysterious. As I said before. So what did he say? That Gerard also started using his brain how to save his life. When there was a threat to his life, he used his brain, and Gerard made up a false story. What did Gerard say? That if you will shoot me, then also you cannot be free because I am myself a criminal. You will hang yourself as Vincent Charles Gerard. And then he says, this is your big surprise. I said you wouldn't kill me, and I was right. Why do you think I am here today and gone tomorrow? And then he says that, do you know why all of a sudden I disappear and nobody knows where I have gone? I am here today and gone tomorrow. Means all of a sudden he goes somewhere, and he says, do you know this is the reason why I never see businessman? Because I am myself a wanted criminal. You say my habits would suit you. You are a crook. So he says that you are a crook. Crook means cunning, dishonest person. Cunning or dishonest. So he says that you are dishonest. Do you think that I am an honest person? Sunday school teacher means here means honest person. So he says that, do you think that I am a teacher? I am so honest. I am also a crook and dishonest person like you. So he says that if you are a cunning person, I myself, I am also a cunning person. Do you think that I am a teacher? No, I am not. He means to say that the game is far as I am concerned. Things went wrong with me. I said it with bullets. So he said that मेरे साथ भी कुछ गलत हुआ. Things went wrong with me. So he said that things went wrong with me. Means I faced difficulties. He also faced difficulties, and when he was in difficult situation, what he did? He shot someone, said it with bullets. Shot. Said it with bullets मतलब क्या? मैंने भी उसका जवाब गोलियों से दिया. Said it with bullets. So he says that in his life also some tragedy took place, and he shot someone and got away. Got away means ran away. So he also, Gerard also cooks up a false story saying that he himself is a wanted criminal and he is also a murderer. Shot someone means what? He himself is a murderer. Unfortunately, they got one of my men and found the things that the fool should have burned. And he said that unfortunately means what? Unfortunately, hello.
Unluckily.
Unlucky.
Yes,
Unlucky.
very good. Unfortunately means unluckily. So Gerard also makes a false story saying that he himself is a criminal, not only a criminal, a murderer. Said it with bullets. He said that I shot someone with bullets. I shot someone with bullets and then I ran away. And unluckily, one of my men was caught. They got one of my men, मतलब पुलिस ने उनके एक आदमी को पकड़ लिया. Unfortunately, they got one of my men means the police caught one of the men of Gerard and then found things the fool should have burnt. And they found some documents which he should have burnt. Documents uh, that proved that uh, Gerard was a criminal. तो उसने कहा कि मेरा जो आदमी पकड़ा गया वो एक बेवकूफ था, उसने प्रूफ को जलाया नहीं. एंड tonight I'm expecting trouble. And he says that tonight maybe the police come here. Expecting trouble means what? Tonight maybe the police come. So he says that maybe tonight the police trace me and they come to my house. My bag is packed, ready to clear off. And do you remember at the beginning of the play, Gerard was packing his bag. In the first scene, what happens? Gerard is packing his bag on the divan, and suddenly this intruder comes. So he says that my bag is packed, ready to clear off. So that is why I had packed my bag. Gerard made a false story that I am also a wanted criminal and I am a murderer, and things went wrong with me and I shot someone and ran away. One of my men was caught and he had some documents which he should have burnt. उसको वो documents जला देना चाहिए, लेकिन वो बेवकूफ जो है वो नहीं जलाया. और the police got all the clue about me, and today the police may come anytime. I am expecting trouble. And he said that that is why I had packed my bag to clear off. To clear off means to run away. To run away. There it is. तो और उसने अपने बैग भी दिखा दिया कि देखो मेरा बैग पैक करके रखा हुआ है. That is why it. So he told us such a story that the intruder could believe it, because he was giving proof also that see, I'm also a mysterious person, I don't go out, I order all my things, I don't meet businessmen, and I have packed my bag to run away. So it is a bag, all right, and this is a gun, all right, and there was a gun also in his bag. What is all this? That is a disguise outfit. और जेरड के बैग में और क्या क्या था? You know, Gerard is a dramatist, writer, and in dramas to play the drama you need many things. कैरेक्टर को अलग अलग ये देने के लिए फॉल्स मुस्टैच और बहुत सारी चीजें जो है वो जेरड के बैग में था. The things which are used in the drama. So that is a disguise outfit. Outfit means cloth. This disguise outfit. Outfit means clothes. And he says that I use this. Disguise means, you know, what is the meaning of disguise? You write the meaning of disguise. Disguise means to change the appearance.
The appearance of sound.
To change appearance, to hide one's identity. मतलब भेष बदलना. कोई मुझे पहचाने नहीं, इसीलिए अपने आप को अलग तरह से ड्रेस करना कि तुम्हारा पहचान छुप जाए. That is called disguise. To change appearance, to hide one's identity. Many criminals, they do this. They put on beard and mustache. Sometimes they shave off their head. uh, they do many things so that they are not recognized. ऐसा करते हैं criminals अपने identity को छुपाने के लिए. So that is disguise. To change appearance to hide one's identity. So he said that, see in my bag, because he was a dramatist. तो इन ड्रामाज ऑल्सो, ड्रामा में भी अलग अलग कैरेक्टर प्ले करने के लिए आप बियर्ड, मुस्टैच और तरह तरह के आउटफिट्स रखते हैं, कपड़े. तो अब जेरार्ड जो है वो ड्रामेटिस्ट था, राइटर था, तो उसके बैग में वो सारा चीज था. So he could make a story. He could convince the criminal about himself by giving him proof that, see, I'm keeping all these things because I have to change my appearance so that the police don't recognize me. That is a disguise outfit, false mustaches, and whatnot. Now, do you believe me? Now, Gerard says to the intruder, I have given you so many proof that why I am so mysterious, why I don't go out, and why I don't meet businessmen, and why I always keep my bag ready. And look, there are so many things in my bag, and all these things I have kept just because to change my appearance so that the police don't recognize me. Now, do you believe me? Musingly, write the meaning of musingly. Thoughtfully. Musing मतलब सोचते हुए. Musingly means thoughtfully. अब जो है क्रिमिनल भी सोचने लगा कि ये तो बहुत सही ही बोल रहा है, क्योंकि उसके पास बैग सही में था और वो सब बियर्ड्स, मुस्टैच और अलग अलग तरह के कपड़े भी थे. And really, Charles Gerard was in some sort of mystery person. So he says, but that intruder, he is a criminal, so he doesn't trust anyone. So he is thinking, ये सही बोल रहा है कि नहीं. Musingly, so he thoughtfully says, I don't know. मतलब what does he mean? वो बोलना ये चाह रहा था कि मुझे नहीं पता तुम सच बोल रहे हो कि नहीं. I don't know. Means he is just trying to convey to Gerard whether he is telling him the truth or not. For God's sake, clear that muddled head of yours. Muddled means confused. Muddled. Muddled means confused. So he says that clear your confused head. Don't keep any confusion in your head. सारे confusion को निकाल दो. सोचो कि हाँ मैं भी एक criminal हूँ. विश्वास करो मुझ पे. Don't get confused and let us go. So Charles says to the criminal that both of us will escape. Let's go. Means let us go. Come with me in the car. I can use you. So he says that come with me in the car. I can use you. If you find it is a frame, you have got me in the car. So he says that if you think frame, यहाँ मतलब बताए थे ना कि यहाँ contextual meaning frame का है trap. तो वो कहता है कि अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि मैं तुम्हें फंसा रहा हूँ, ट्रैप कर रहा हूँ, तो I am in the car and you have got your gun, you can shoot me. So he says that let us come, let us both escape. So Gerard also very cleverly makes a false story and says that both of us can escape in the car. And he says that if you think that I'm trapping you, you have your gun and I'm in the car, you can kill me any moment. Now the intruder is thinking maybe you are right. पूरा विश्वास तो उसको अभी नहीं है, लेकिन वो कहता है हो सकता है तुम सही कह रहे हो. Maybe you are right. So Gerard says that don't waste time. The police may be coming, because he had already said that I'm expecting trouble. And so the police may be coming. Don't waste time. Goes and picks up the hat and bag. Intruder, careful boss, I am watching you. तो इंट्रूडर क्या कहता है कि आई एम वॉचिंग यू, डोंट ट्राई टू बी स्मार्ट, आई एम वॉचिंग यू. Careful, boss. I am watching you. I have got a man posted on the main road. He will ring up if he sees the police. So, जेरड ने ये भी कहा कि मेरा आदमी जो है वो मेन रोड पे है, and if he will see the police, he will ring me up. I have got a man posted on the main road. He will ring up if he sees the police. But I don't want to leave. But I don't want to leave. Telephone bell rings, and immediately the telephone bell rings. Come on, they are after us. And then Jared starts panicking. He says that it may be my men who have seen the police and is informing me. Come on, they are after us. They are here refers to whom? They are after us. They are किसको बोला गया है? Hello.
Police cop.
Police.
Police.
Yes,
Police.
policemen. Police are after us. Though here, straight to the garage. So Jared said to the criminal that, come on, both of us can escape. Let us move towards the garage straight to the garage. How do I know that you are telling the truth? लेकिन इंट्रूडर तो वो तो क्रिमिनल है, वो तुरंत कैसे किसी पे विश्वास कर सकता है? Maybe. What did he say earlier? Maybe he still doesn't trust Gerard. How? Oh, don't be a fool. Look for yourself. He says that don't be a fool. See, I have given you so many proof. Look for yourself. Gerard opens the door and steps away. तो अब इंट्रूडर के पास भी कोई उपाय नहीं रहता है. उसको लगता हो सकता है जेरड सही कह रहा हो. Intruder leans forward to inspect it. So Gerard opens the door and he is inspecting कि कोई है तो नहीं, with his side towards Gerard, but with the revolver ready. So this intruder, all the time he is ready to kill Gerard. So revolver is always ready. If Gerard plays a trick, he will immediately shoot him, but with the revolver ready. As he turns his head, Gerard gives him a push into the cupboard. और जैसे ही वो इंट्रूडर थोड़ा सा अपने सर को बेंड ये करता है, डायरेक्शन चेंज करता है कि जेरड जो है एक कबर्ड है और जेरड ने एक झटके में कबर्ड का दरवाजा खोला और इंट्रूडर को उसके अंदर पुश कर दिया. सो जेरड हियर makes a very smart move. Gerard pushes the intruder into the cupboard, knocking the revolver out of his hand. एक झटके में उसने रिवॉल्वर नीचे गिरा दिया और उसको जो है कबर्ड के अंदर पुश कर दिया. He slams the door and locks it. Slam means shut noisily. Shut noisily. So he noisily shuts the door. He noisily shuts the door and he locks it. So Gerard very cleverly he manages to save his life by pushing the criminal in the cupboard, by knocking down his revolver. Once the revolver is knocked down, he is safe. और सबसे ज्यादा खतरा किससे था? वो लगातार जो है वो रिवॉल्वर एम किए हुए था जेरड के तरफ. So now once he knocks down the revolver, Gerard is safe, and he picks up the revolver, goes to the phone where he stands with the gun pointed at the cupboard door. Now Gerard is pointing the gun at the intruder. He has already locked up the intruder in the cupboard. He slams the door and locks it. He locks the door of the cupboard, and he picks up the revolver and goes to the phone. And still he is pointing the gun at the intruder, at the cupboard door. कहीं जो है उसने अगर धक्का देके तोड़ दिया डोर को, तो रिवॉल्वर लगातार गन एम किए हुए था. Intruder rattles door, rattles means he just pats on the door, makes the noise. और knocks the door, एकदम दरवाजा को लगातार जो है वो नॉक करता है. And shouts, let me out of here. वेरी नेचुरल. दरवाजा कबर्ड में उसको बंद कर दिया, वो चिल्ला रहा है, दरवाजा को नॉक कर रहा है कि लेट मी आउट ऑफ हियर. बट इज जेरड गोइंग टू फ्री हिम? ऑलरेडी ही हैज सफर्ड सो मच ऑफ टेंशन, mental pain. So hello, yes, speaking, sorry, I can't let you have the props. Props also means the same. Props, the things used in drama. To change the appearance. So props means the things that are used in the drama to change the appearance. Things used in drama to change the appearance. Now, if you remember at the beginning of the play, Gerard was packing his bag, and in his bag there were many props: the beard, the mustache, outfit. So now he had to reach somewhere. ड्रामा के प्लेस में उसको रीच करना था जहां एक ड्रामा का रिहर्सल होने वाला था. Now he was not able to reach there because of this sudden entry of this intruder. So he is informing that person that I cannot give you the props in time for rehearsal. He is already delayed by the sudden coming of the intruder. So he says that I'm sorry that I cannot give you the props in time for rehearsal. I had a spot of bother. I had a spot of bother means I had some trouble. Quite amusing. And what kind of trouble it was? It was very amusing. Now the trouble is entertaining for him. Why? Because now he has been able to control the intruder. I think I will put it in my next play. So what did he say? That I will give you all the props in my next play. Listen, can you tell our friend the sergeant to come up here at once? And he also told that man to ring up the police. Sergeant means police. So Gerard told to that man that I will not be able to give you the props, all the things needed for the rehearsal of the drama in time, because I had some trouble all of a sudden. I will give you all the things in my next play. And he also told that man that please inform the police to come up here at once. And he also said that the police will be in the public bar, probably. हाँ, हो सकता है. Probably मतलब संभावना. तो उसने ये भी बताया कि पुलिस कहाँ हो सकता. So in this way, Gerard very cleverly managed to save his life from the dangerous intruder or criminal. So everything clear? Anything that is okay? Okay. I will move to the question answers. Answer these questions. At last, a sympathetic audience. Who says this?
Jared.
Gerard says this. जब वो इंट्रूडर जो है अपना उसको अपना कहानी सुनाने के लिए. Why does he say it?
He said that because he want to about himself.
Because he
because he wants to live his life like Jared.
Because the intruder asks himself.
Because he is happy
Because
that someone
intruder
is,
come there.
because he is happy that someone is ready to listen to his childhood stories. Someone is ready to listen about him. Is he sarcastic or serious?
Sarcastic.
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 He is sarcastic because he already knows that the man is not a good person. तो वो व्यंग ही कर रहा है क्योंकि उसे पता है कि वो अच्छा आदमी तो है नहीं, और तब उसका ये he is praising him that you are a sympathetic person. So he is sarcastic. He is not serious. Yes. Why does the intruder choose Gerard as the man whose
The
identity?
intruder chooses Jared as the man whose identity he wants to take on because the intruder was same in build and have the same personality as Jared.
Yes, because the intruder
Choose Gerard as the man whose identity you wanted to take on because he is the same as build as Gerard.
yes, because the intruder is intruder resembles him. Resemble मतलब एक जैसा ही दिखना. Resembles him in all respects. हर चीज में वो उसको resemble all in all ways लिख सकते हैं, in all ways. I said it with bullets. Who says this?
Jared.
Gerard.
Ah, Gerard. What does it mean?
To
It
shoot
means
someone.
he killed a
To
man and
shoot,
he is dangerous.
to shoot someone.
Yes, Vijaya, you want to say something? Vijaya,
Yes, ma'am.
bolo. What does it mean? What does it mean? I said it with bullets. Shreyasi, you want to answer? Shreyasi?
To kill someone.
Yes, to kill someone. To kill or shoot someone.
To shoot someone with bullets.
Yes, someone. Is it the truth?
No.
Is it the truth?
No.
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 What is the speaker's reason for saying this? सही नहीं है तो वो क्यों फॉल्स स्टोरी उसने बनाया?
Because he wants to convince the intruder that he was also a criminal like him.
Yes,
Because he want to save his life.
okay, yes, to save his life.
He want to escape from the intruder.
Yes,
Yeah,
to
ma'am.
save his life, to escape from the intruder. To escape from the intruder by convincing him that he was also a criminal. So he said so because he wanted to escape from the intruder by convincing him that he was also a criminal. So, what is Gerard's profession?
He was a
Playwright.
dramatic.
Ma'am, playwright.
He was a dramatic
He
writer.
was a drama writer by profession.
Playwright.
Playwright उसको कहते हैं, playwright. Quote the parts of the play. उसमें एक दो लाइन जो है वो कोट करना है, तो ये लाइन हम कोट कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर। सॉरी आई कांट लेट यू हैव द प्रॉप्स फॉर रिहर्सल, ये लाइन, दिस लाइन यू कैन राइट, दैट प्रूव्स दैट ही वाज अ ड्रामेटिस्ट। और ये आई विल पुट, ये लाइन भी कोट कर सकते हो।
This is very melodramatic.
हाँ
This is very melodramatic. This is very melodramatic.
This line also you can quote. It's very melodramatic. Uh, so you'll soon stop being smart. Who says this?
Intruder.
Intruder say this.
Intruder. Yes, the intruder says this. Why does the speaker say it?
Speaker says it
Because
to the
he wants
frightened
to
Jared,
call,
as he does not seem to be
he wants to
affected
call
by his gun.
Jared.
He does not seem to be affected by his gun.
Because he does not seem to be affected. Anuj, you want to say something? Anuj?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the speaker says it because he wants to control Jared.
He wants?
Wants to control. He wants to control Jared.
He wants to control Jared. Okay. He wants to. And also you can add this line, he thinks that Jared is not affected by him. That Jared is not scared of him. What, according to the speaker, will stop Jared from being smart?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
the
the bullet
realization of
stopped Jared from being smart.
The bullet, the revolver.
Giving him injury.
The threat